prayers to Panchito's family down there in South Texas. I'm really sorry for his passing. I just want to tell you, you know what? First off, anybody on here, at the end of this video, I will leave a link to his channel, his cooking channel. And of course it's in Spanish, but he and I've learned so much from him. I really did. And he was right here in my phone, and he speaks English to me, or Texan, whatever you want to call it. And I've got to cook. I got off subject. El SAZON de Villegas. He changed his name, YouTube name, to that. But anyway, I don't know. I get sidetracked a lot. So anyway, I just want to say to his family that I'm really sorry. I know his daughter's hurting and his family's hurting, and he will be missed. And like I said, I talk to him every once in a while and stuff. And he sent me a recipe that I asked for. I wanted to make cheese enchiladas with avocado sauce. I mean, doesn't that sound fantastic? Yeah. It should be right here in my phone. Of course, I lost my old phone. But I think it's in there. And I'm going to make that in a tribute to him. It's his wife's family's recipe. And we'll come out with that in about a month or two. But the main thing about this video is, if good cooks, you don't understand it, go to Google Translate, and you can translate anything you want to, And I loved his lives. I go in there. I didn't understand what people were saying because it was all in Spanish. And I'd go in there and I'd copy and paste stuff over into to Google Analytics, or not Google Analytics, Google Translate, to find out what people were saying and everything else. And then I would say something and say translate back to Spanish, and I would pop it in there, and all these people were talking back to me. I was like, I don't know what you're saying. But it was fun, I appreciated him. He dealt with me, and that was really cool. He was really nice to me. But anyway, that's my buddy Panchito. And truly, he has awesome cooks. I don't care what language he spoke or anybody else does. He's got good cooks. That's the number one thing. All right. So this message right here. Love you, Panchito. Miss you. I loved our connection that we had. God bless your family. Peace. We'll see you, Panchito. We'll see you in the sky. Probably not too far from now. See ya.